Hello students, this is our continuing video of the topic goodwill. In this topic we will discuss about journal entries related to goodwill, or we can say treatment of goodwill. When a new partner admits in a firm, in a partnership firm, he brings some amount in cash or in kind for his capital and some extra amount for as premium of goodwill, which he paid to the old partners for their sacrifice. Because when a new partner is entered in a firm or admitted in a firm, old partners sacrifice some of their ratio for on behalf of new partner. Then only the new partner can get his share in business, and for this sacrifice new partner pay some amount to the old partners, which is termed as premium for goodwill. Now there are 4-5 conditions of premium of goodwill which is brought in by the new partner. So what are these conditions? Let me discuss. First is premium for goodwill is paid privately. If premium for goodwill amount is paid mutually by the new partner to the old partners, then no entry or no journal entry will be recorded in this regard, because for mutual transaction there will be no record of any entry. Then second is premium for goodwill is paid in cash by new partner and retained in the business. Premium for goodwill is paid in cash. A new partner brings in cash for premium of goodwill, and that amount is retained in the business. Means old partners should not withdraw the amount of goodwill. So in this regard there are 2 entries for this transaction. First is when premium for goodwill, amount for premium of goodwill brings in brought in cash by new partner, then entry is cash account debited to premium for goodwill account. And with this entry we can post one combined compound entry, that is capital, which is also brought in cash by new partner. So entry will be cash account debited to premium for goodwill account and to new partner's capital account. Then second entry is premium for goodwill account debited to old partner's capital account. The amount of goodwill, premium for goodwill, which is brought in by new partner is distributed among old partners in their sacrificing ratio, because what ratio or what percentage the old partners sacrifice in favor of new partner, for that only new partner is paying the premium for goodwill amount, and this amount is distributed among old partners in their sacrificing ratio. Now the third condition is premium for goodwill is brought in kind. If the new partner brought goodwill not in cash but in some kind means in kind of assets, then entry will be assets account debited to new partner's capital account and to new partner to premium for goodwill account. Then again second entry same as above, premium for goodwill account debited to old partner's capital account. The amount which he brought in as premium for goodwill is always distributed among old partners in their sacrificing ratio. Then fourth condition is premium for goodwill is brought in cash and withdrawn by old partners. The amount which is brought in cash by the new partner is distributed among old partners in the sacrificing ratio, and sometimes they withdraw that amount in cash. So above 2 entries will be the same. First one is for assets or for cash entry, these entries are same. Then second entry premium for goodwill to old partners, this also same. Third entry is this one, new entry, cash account debited to premium for goodwill account. Cash account debited to premium for goodwill account. This entry is or premium for goodwill cash account debited to partners capital account is the correct entry for this transaction. Now next one is Second entry in this, premium for goodwill account debited to old partners capital account. Whatever cash is brought in as premium for goodwill, that is distributed among old partners in their sacrificing ratio. So this entry is same as previous entry in previous condition. Now third entry will be old partners capital account debited to cash account. This entry shows the amount of premium withdrawn by old partners. Whatever they distribute among themselves in their sacrificing ratio, that amount is withdrawn by them. The entry is old partners capital account debited to cash account. Then second condition is premium for goodwill is not bring in cash but adjusted through capital account. Due to some reasons, new partner is not able to bring cash for his goodwill amount, his share of goodwill. So the amount of premium for goodwill is adjusted through his capital account. And for this, the entry will be new partner's capital account debited to old partner's capital account. Because it is adjusted through capital accounts of partners, so entry will be new partners capital account debited. Instead of debiting premium for goodwill, here we debit new partners capital account to old partners capital account, and new partners capital account shows the amount of premium of goodwill. Now sixth condition is new partner bring his cash share of goodwill partly in cash. New partner is not able to bring in cash, full amount in cash, so he bring half amount in cash and the remaining will be adjusted through his capital account. So entry will be cash account debited, new partners capital account debited to premium for goodwill account, and rest all the entries will be same. Rest entry means this entry will be passed in this condition. In sixth condition, first entry is cash account debited because partly partial amount is bring in cash, so whatever the amount brought in cash by a new partner, it is debited in cash account, and the amount which he is not able to bring in cash, that amount is adjusted through his capital account, and the entry is new partners capital account debited to premium for goodwill account and to old partners capital account. To premium for goodwill, in this column the amount which he brought in cash should be shown in premium for goodwill account, and the amount which is not brought in cash by new partner, that amount is shown in new partners capital account and to old partners capital account. Okay. Now seventh one is when there is goodwill shown in balance sheet. If there is amount of goodwill shown in balance sheet, in old balance sheet, before the admission of the goodwill earned by the old partners before the admission of new partner, then that goodwill will be withdrawn by the, or written off, we can say written off by the old partners, and entry is old partners capital account debited to goodwill account. This is the treatment of goodwill during the admission of new partner, and it is essential to post entries and to you write entries, note down all these entries and notes in your copies.